Every billionaire you've ever heard of starts their day in a way you probably don't. Not louder, not harder, but smarter. Because while the world is still asleep, they're already shaping their future. And what if I told you? This exact morning ritual has quietly built empires, private jets, and billion-dollar decisions. Stay with me, because this might change the way you start tomorrow. Most people don't lose their day at night. They lose it in the first hour. They wake up tired. They grab their phone. They react instead of lead. Show person scrolling phone in bed, cut to chaotic morning rush. But the ultra-wealthy, they treat mornings like a strategic weapon because mornings are the only time when your mind is untouched. No noise, no pressure, no distractions, just clarity. And in that silence, fortunes are quietly built. Yes, many billionaires wake up early, but here's what people misunderstand. It's not about the time. It's about the advantage. Waking up early gives them something priceless, uninterrupted thinking time. While others are still asleep, they're already planning moves that shift industries. This is where ideas are born, deals are imagined, problems are solved, and no one is there to interrupt them. Before emails, before meetings, before money, they sit in silence. Show ocean waves, minimal desk, sunrise, meditation. Meditation, journaling, deep thinking. It sounds simple, but this is where the magic happens, because clarity is a competitive advantage. Most people are overwhelmed. Billionaires, they are focused, and focus creates outcomes most people never reach. Then comes a movement, not randomly, but intentionally, because they understand something critical. You can't build a powerful life with low energy. Energy drives decisions. Energy drives discipline. Energy drives execution. They train their body so their mind can perform at its peak. Because when your energy is high, everything else becomes easier. Now here's where the gap gets bigger. While most people scroll endlessly, billionaires study markets, psychology, opportunities. They feed their mind with information that compounds over time, because every idea they learn could turn into $1 million decision later. Now comes the moment that changes everything. They don't start working until they decide what matters. They ask one powerful question: what are the 3 decisions that will move my life forward today? Not 20 tasks, not endless to-do lists, just 3. Because success isn't about doing more. It's about doing what actually counts. And here's the part most people ignore. They protect their mornings aggressively. No social media, no random notifications, no outside noise. Because attention is the most valuable currency in the modern world. And they refuse to waste it. So how does this simple routine create massive wealth? It's not the routine itself, it's what the routine creates. A clear mind makes better decisions. Better decisions create bigger opportunities. Bigger opportunities lead to extraordinary wealth. And it all starts before the world even wakes up. Here's the truth. You don't need millions to live like this. You just need intention. Wake up earlier. Sit in silence. Move your body. Learn something valuable. Plan your top 3 priorities. Do this daily, and your life will start to shift, because repetition creates identity, and identity shapes your future. Tomorrow morning, you have 2 choices. Wake up like everyone else, or wake up like someone building a fortune. Because the truth is, the life you want is hiding inside the routine you avoid. If you want to unlock more billionaire habits, luxury lifestyles, and the hidden rules of wealth, subscribe now, because the next video might completely change how you think about success.